What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add and subtract complex numbers, and then we're going to write our answer in standard form. So here in parentheses, we have 6 minus I plus, in parentheses, 7 plus 3I. All right, so the first thing you want to do is actually drop the parentheses. So the only time you can't just drop the parentheses is if there's a negative sign in front of a set of parentheses, all right? In that case, you would have to distribute the negative sign in there first, and then you could drop them. But here, there's no negative sign anywhere, right? In front of a set of parentheses anyways, so we can drop them from the start. So here we're going to have 6 minus I plus 7 plus 3I. All right, and then here you just have to combine like terms. So here we have a positive 6 and positive 7, so that's equal to 13. And then here we have a negative I, or negative 1I, and a positive 3I, so that's equal to positive 2I, right? So here we're going to say plus 2I, all right? And this is your answer in standard form. So you always want to write the real number first and then the imaginary number second, right? So then our answer right here would just be 13 plus 2I. All right, here's the second one. So here we have in parentheses 12 plus 4I minus in parentheses 3 minus 7I, all right? So as you can see, there's no negative sign in front of these set of parentheses, so we could just drop these parentheses. So we can rewrite this as 12 plus 4I, but you can see there's a negative sign now in front of these parentheses, right? So we have to distribute that negative sign to both of these terms, so to the 3 and the negative 7I. Okay, so basically just the signs are going to flip, right? So then this positive 3 is going to turn into a negative 3 or minus 3, and then this negative 7I is going to turn into plus 7I. And then again, we can combine like terms, right? So 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, positive 9. And then here we have positive 4I and positive 7I, which is equal to positive 11I. All right, here's the last problem. So we have 7 minus, in parentheses, 3 plus 4I plus 6I. Here you can see there's the negative sign in front of the parentheses, so we need to distribute that first. Okay, so here we're going to have 7, and then when we distribute this, we're going to get minus 3, and then negative times positive 4I is negative 4I, right? And then we have this positive 6I at the very end right there. So then here, again, if we just simplify this, we have 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4, and negative 4I plus 6I is equal to positive 2I. Boom. So if you found the video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any other questions or want to see any other examples, just let me know in the comment section below.